My name is Devesh. We live in Gurgaon and we've just moved into this flat about a month ago. So basically, kitchens we've used earlier, our problems were effective storage. Space was kind of constrained, not properly ergonomically designed. Then there were small issues like handles, materials peeling off, sometimes rare cases, termites. Then we did a lot of web researching, testimonials, reviews, talked to people. We spoke to actually a couple of agencies, and then we kind of zeroed down on Ultrafresh as one of the main contenders. It was simple manufacturing, engineering design, choice of materials. We didn't really want to go with wood or plywood. We wanted either towards stainless steel or a hybrid kitchen. Finally, we settled on what we have now, which is a hybrid kitchen. The carcass is steel, and then the others, the planks, etc., in HDHMR, etc. I think the installation process went pretty smooth, more or less. We had a couple of delays, but nothing which, I would worry about. Minor delays, but more or less on time and very systematic. The execution part was quite good, I would say. Basically, it's a nice aesthetic kitchen. Should be a nice place to work, and that's what it is. My wife probably could answer this question because she spends a lot of her time here. For me, I do my occasional coffee and sometimes I cook. It's important that your workplace is bright and it gives you a nice feeling, and I think this kitchen does just that. So cooking does not become a chore. That's the idea. I think you should spend time planning. The execution part is not so complicated. It's more the planning and designing. And I would also like to point out, you would not get a good kitchen unless you're fully involved. So you need to be involved in the details. You need to be involved in the choice of materials and the color schemes. Spend time, you'll get a good kitchen.